Friends, I just did a video about the starlings, and there's certainly starlings here, but I was hoping. But there are waxwings here as well. Cedar waxwings, probably from the size. Oh, I love waxwings. Up in Labrador, we have Bohemian waxwings. Okay, let me see if you can see them. I was checking out these little flashes of yellow on these tails. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I can't see it through the screen. But in this bush, there are waxwings, and they're hanging out with the starlings. Oh, they're beautiful. Yes, they're beautiful. Okay, so they've moved off. Well, there's a couple here. A couple of waxwings. So this bush right here is majority starlings. Let me bring this out a little bit. Okay, so this bush right here is majority starlings. I think. Maybe these are all waxwings. I'm not good with these bird calls. I thought starlings, but now, are you all waxwings? These guys right here are. Oh, I wish I had binoculars or better eyes. Maybe both. Oh. I think this is a mix. I think this is a mix of starlings and waxwings. Oh, you can, I wish you could see. This guy is a waxwing. Did you see his crest on his head? I'm just showing, I'm sorry guys, I'm just showing you a bunch of bird shadows. I know. I wish I had maybe better video skills or, oh gosh, they're so lovely. Waxwings. Oh, spring is coming, friends.